Maveli from programtom.com here, and in this episode I'm gonna point out how you could chat with GPTs for free, and maybe you will need um, some cloud provider logins for some of the chat GPTs, but basically there is an option to chat with GPT endlessly and without restrictions. And yeah, I'm gonna point out here the options. So first are the options that do not need anything from you, and you could do it from any device. And the first option is Bing. Since Microsoft invested in OpenAI, they have grabbed the technology and integrated it into Bing and into Windows, and I'm gonna open it, and you could see I haven't logged in, and I could ask something, and yeah, I could use Copilot. It is called Copilot, and you could um, ask something or even generate an image, or yeah, it is not only for text to text. Another option is Google Bard. Basically, Google is trying to get up to speed with the GPT competition, but as I'm showing you, they require from you to log in to use it. Basically, the next option is Meta, the Facebook's GPT, and they have several options. The biggest one and the fastest and cheapest is also here, and basically you could use it as for free. I'm in incognito mode, so yeah, you could see, you could ask something. This is the Facebook Meta's option. You could also use Quaudi, or I'm not sure how it's called. And basically here you will also need to log in with Google. And of course, the ChatGPT, you need to log in, but this is the origin, and they've started this revolution, and of course they are the main option, and they require login. And with all of these have integrated the OpenAI as an API. So I've coded a GPT that integrates with OpenAI's ChatGPT, and I've integrated text to text, audio and image recognition. So basically, you set up an API key, you download the language models, and you could ask something, and you could ask for a text from a text, you could ask for an image, and you could ask for an audio. But all of these are paid. All of these integrations are come with fees, and as you can see, all the implementations are free with a Google or Microsoft Cloud account. But if you want to have unlimited chat with GPT, and especially if you have high privacy concerns, you have the power to download the LM Studio AI.ai, this desktop application, and basically you could load some language model, and you could chat with this language model offline, and no data will be shared with anybody, and you could chat with it for free, unlimited. All of these options have some code, some limitation, some number of uh, times that you could ask these chat GPTs. Uh, they have limits, and after that they want to pay them for further questioning. And this is not the case with LM Studio, and the ability to, and here you have the ability to download from multiple language models. And yeah, there are tons of open source language models that you could download, and the interface is similar with chats and questions, but this is for desktop, and you must have a serious amount of RAM. Basic The most basic language model requires like 5 gigabytes of RAM, and you need to have running all the other software like Chrome or whatever you do. So basically, you need 32 or 64 gigabytes of RAM to have this. And as you can see, I have used it for documentation and some other types of questions, like what is the best AI language model. And yeah, here it also has the possibility to run as a OpenAI like server, and you could potentially expose this LM Studio and open it to your microservices. But yeah, I haven't done that yet, but I'm actively using it. And yeah, see you in the next video with all these free options with some limitations, with some limit to questions, and this one, the LM Studio, with chatting with it for free endlessly. It's limited to your needs and to the level of machine learning it has achieved so far. So yeah, it, it it's not AGI, but it serves very well for getting information, and I've used it to convert from Kotlin to Java code, to write documentation, to write me simple code based on very clear requirements. So yeah, it serves me very well. So check them out.